तुम जन्मदिन केबे? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? गोटे असुविधा अछि। There is a problem. There is a problem. मु एबे आसुची। I'm just coming. I'm just coming. मोर भूल कौन? What is my fault? What is my fault? मोते जंत्रणा हेउछि। I am having pain. I am having pain. तुमे छुट्टी रे अछ कि? Are you on leave? Are you on leave? যত্ন নিও। Take care. Take care. तुमे काहे तरबर करूछ? Why are you hurrying? Why are you hurrying? कहा पाई? For whom? For whom? तुमको खराब लागिला कि? Did you feel bad? Did you feel bad? चा प्रस्तुत की? Is tea ready? Is tea ready? बाजार रे कौन किनिबार अछि? What to buy in the market? What to buy in the market? काली देखाएबो। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. यह काहे की हुए? Why does it happen? Why does it happen? किछि कथा नहीं। Never mind. Never mind. से किछि जाने नहीं। He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know anything. बहुत भलो। Very well. Very well. टिके भी नुहे। Not the least. Not the least. एठाकु आस। Come here. Come here. एठारे देखो। Look here. Look here. एबे कामरे लागि जाओ। Now get to the work. Now get to the work. पंखा चले दियो। Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. पार्टी करो नहीं। Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. जदि शब्द करो नहीं कहबा को चाहिबा सेठी में दे सेंटेंस को यूज कर परबा। एबे तुमे जाई पारो। You may go now. You may go now. पुणी देखाएबो। See you again. See you again. जाई कि किछि समय आराम करिनियो। Go and relax for a while. Go and relax for a while. मु इंग्रजी रे दुर्बल। I am weak in English. I am weak in English. मो घंटा बंद हो जाइछि। My watch has stopped. My watch has stopped. ମୁଁ ମୋର ଟଙ୍କା ଚାହେଁ। I want my money. I want my money. ମୁଁ ମୋର ଭାଗ ଚାହେଁ। I want my share. I want my share. ସେ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆସି ନାହାନ୍ତି। He has not come yet. He has not come yet. ନହେଲେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? Otherwise, what will you do? Otherwise, what will you do? କାଲି ରାତିରେ ମୋତେ ଜ୍ୱର ହୋଇଥିଲା। I had fever last night. I had fever last night. ଯେତେ ଦୂର ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ, as far as I know, as far as I know, ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫୋନ୍ କରିଛ କି? Have you called him? Have you called him? ସେ ଜଣେ ପିଲା ନୁହଁ। He is not a child. He is not a child. ତୁମେ ଏହା କେଉଁଠି ପାଇଲ? Where did you get it? Where did you get it? ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ବିକଳ୍ପ ନାହିଁ। I have no choice. I have no choice. ମୁଁ ଏହା ପୁଣି ଆଉ କେବେ କରିବିନି। I will never do it again. I will never do it again. ଛାଡ଼ ଏହାକୁ। Let it be. Let it be. ଏବେ ଏହାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଅ। Forget it now. Forget it now. ମୁଁ ମୋର ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତିତ। I am worried about my health. I am worried about my health. ମୁଁ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ। I am extremely tired. I am extremely tired. ତୁମକୁ କେବେଠୁ ଜ୍ୱର ହେଉଛି? How long have you been suffering from fever? How long have you been suffering from fever? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କର? What do you do? What do you do? ଏତେ ଦିନ ଯାଇ ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ଥିଲ? Where have you been for such a long time? Where have you been for such a long time? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଠି ଦେଖି ଖୁସି ଲାଗିଲା। Glad to see you here. Glad to see you here. That's it. ये थी किसी daily use sentences. So please like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care. Keep practicing.